Have you ever wished you could quickly rearrange your WordPress pages into the perfect order without fussing around with complicated plugins? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple, built-in way to organize or reorder your pages using just WordPress itself. By the end, you'll be able to easily control the order your site displays pages, especially helpful for navigation menus, custom page lists, or simply making sure your content flows exactly how you want. Let's jump right in. We'll be using a feature called Page Attributes, which is available for each page you create in WordPress. This method is completely manual, but it lets you customize the display order, especially handy if you're running a smaller site or simply prefer a plugin-free approach. First, head to the WordPress dashboard and then navigate over to Pages and click on All Pages. This will give you a list of every page you currently have set up on your site. It might look a little overwhelming if you've created lots of pages, but don't worry, you're just finding the pages you want to reorder. Next, for each page you'd like to move, just hover your mouse over the title. You'll see some quick options pop up underneath, and here you want to click Quick Edit. It's sort of like peeking behind the curtain to tweak basic settings without opening the full editor. Within Quick Edit, you'll spot a box labeled Order. This is the key. What you want to do is assign a number to your page, so for the first page you want displayed, type 0. For the second 1, the third 2, and so on. It's a little like stacking numbered folders in a filing cabinet. The lower the number, the higher it shows up in menus and page lists. Take a moment here to decide the sequence. If you have an About Us page you want people to see first, make it 0. Then maybe your Services page as 1 and Contact as 2. Keep in mind, you need to set these numbers thoughtfully, especially if you ever reorganize later. No worries if you miss a page though, you can always come back and tweak these values at any time. Now, after you've typed in the desired order number for a page, be sure to click the Update button. This saves your changes so WordPress knows what you want. If you forget this step, your new order won't apply, so a quick double check here never hurts. One thing that's helpful to notice. If you happen to assign the same number to 2 or more pages, WordPress will sort those pages alphabetically by title. So don't stress if you're unsure and 2 pages end up with the same order temporarily. It won't break anything. It just means WordPress reverts to alphabetical order between those tied pages. Now, this method is perfect for straightforward reordering, but remember, it won't let you drag and drop on the main page like a visual builder would. This is a bit more like assigning seat numbers at an event. You decide the lineup in advance, and WordPress puts people in their places. It's neat, reliable, and works with no extra plugins or technical setup needed. You might find this takes a few moments if you have many pages to organize. Just be patient and work through the list. And don't worry if you make a mistake, WordPress lets you go back and make adjustments as often as you need. It's a really forgiving process. Once you're done, your pages will show up in the order you've chosen, especially when using menus or custom page lists powered by WordPress's default settings. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to reorder your WordPress pages manually using the Page Attributes feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, or if you get stuck on a specific step, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you'd like more practical WordPress tips and step-by-step guides, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.